Hello everyone! It's been a little while ago because I've been busy with exhibitions and other projects, but I have some time again to make some more demonstrations and tutorials as well. Okay, all I've done so far is drawing a line, and I've mixed a medium grey colour, and that's my starting point to paint a contemporary landscape. I'm only using one brush at this stage, and just observe my brush handling, but also how much water I use. So I'm just working with water now. Paint and pure water. So I'm going to use the same color for the sky as well, but I'm going to create a bit of a moody sky. Just touching the horizon slightly so it gives an impression of rain touching it. So there's my paint and here's my water. And you can see that when I'm using the water, I am starting away from the paint that I've applied on my paper, and then I'm touching them together. So what that does is it allows the pigments and paint to flow into the water. I am going to pick a smaller brush, and I'm going to use my same puddle, but I'm increasing the strength of my color by using some Payne's Grey, phthalo blue and black. And I'm going to go quite strong, and I'm testing that color too. So I'm going to drop that color in the sky, just like that. So I'll drop in some more here. It's still flowing nicely, but now I'm working with water again, so I'm touching this with water, and now it's a good time to use a little bit of salt. When you use salt, use it sparsely, and I'm applying it down the bottom of the page. So that's enough, probably more than I wanted to. So as my painting is drying, I will keep working on it with stronger, more intense colors. And using some paper towel to create a few white areas that won't absorb any more water. And I'm using these white dry areas to drop in stronger colors right down the top, so it won't flow down, but it will just flow up.